The 15 best kitchen gadgets that are actually worth every penny. Whether you're a pro chef or just love cooking at home, these gadgets will save you time, boost your creativity, and make kitchen tasks a breeze. From tools you never knew you needed to gadgets you'll use every day, we've got you covered. Looking to make juicing faster and easier? Meet the Biolo-Mix Cold Press Juicer. With its impressive 130mm feed chute, you can fit whole fruits and veggies without the hassle of pre-cutting. This powerful juicer gently crushes ingredients, preserving nutrients and minimizing oxidation for the freshest juice possible. It's perfect for leafy greens, apples, carrots, you name it. If you're an ice cream lover, the Ninja Creami NC299AMZ is about to become your new favorite kitchen gadget. With 7 one-touch programs, this versatile ice cream maker lets you whip up creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and more in minutes. Just prep your base, freeze it overnight, and let the Creami transform it into a delicious dessert with perfect texture and flavor. The Vevor Electric Bone Cutting Sawing Machine. This powerful tool is designed for both commercial and home kitchens, effortlessly slicing through bones and frozen meat. The Vevor saw features a high-speed motor and sharp stainless steel blade, providing precise, clean cuts that make meat processing efficient and safe. Looking for a versatile kitchen tool? Meet the Cosori Rice Cooker Maker, a multi-cooker with 18 functions designed to simplify your meals. With settings for everything from white and brown rice to quinoa, soup, and even yogurt, it's more than just a rice cooker. The intuitive LED display and precise temperature control make cooking easy, while the delay start and keep warm features ensure your food is ready when you are. The world of high-powered kitchen appliances with the Biolo-Mix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer. If you love baking or cooking, this powerful and versatile mixer is your new best friend in the kitchen. It's built to handle everything from fluffy meringues to dense bread doughs. The Biolo-Mix comes with a large 5.5-liter stainless steel bowl, giving you plenty of space to mix up all your favorite recipes. Meet the Hybrew H11 Coffee Maker, a compact yet powerful machine designed to bring barista-level coffee right to your kitchen. With 20 bars of pressure, it effortlessly extracts rich, creamy espresso, perfect for your favorite cappuccinos, lattes, or Americanos. This sleek, super slim design fits into any space and supports both ESE pods and coffee powder, giving you flexibility for every cup. If you're ready to level up your breakfast game, the Vevor Electric Waffle Maker is perfect for creating mini Dutch pancakes. It cooks up to 50 mini pancakes at once, so you can serve up delicious treats in minutes. With a non-stick coating, cleanup is a breeze, and the adjustable temperature control gives you precision for the perfect golden brown finish every time. If you're looking to keep your food fresher for longer, the Xiaomi Vacuum Sealing Machine might just be the gadget for you. This compact, sleek device uses powerful vacuum technology to lock in freshness by sealing out air, which is ideal for everything from meal prepping to bulk storing. It's simple to use with one-touch operation, has multiple sealing modes for different foods, and even comes with reusable vacuum bags. Looking for the perfect grind every time? Face the iTop 03 Electric Coffee Grinder. This sleek and compact grinder offers precise control with adjustable grind settings, whether you're into espresso, French press, or anything in between. Its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades ensure a consistent grind in seconds, preserving the full aroma and flavor of your beans. Transform your daily drink into a cafe-style masterpiece with the MHW3 Bomber Milk Foam Machine. This mini electric milk frother is designed for ease of use and maximum efficiency. With its powerful motor and ergonomic design, you can whip up creamy, velvety foam in seconds, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or even matcha. Elevate your cooking experience with the Joyoung Cooking Machine Robot Electric Frying Pan. This innovative robot frying pan not only heats up quickly, but also features smart temperature control to ensure perfect results every time, whether you're searing meats or sautéing veggies. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean surface mean you'll spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The MIUI Electric Handheld Stick Blender, a versatile 6-in-1 multi-purpose immersion blender that will revolutionize your cooking experience. This powerful tool not only blends smoothies and soups to perfection, but also whips, chops, and even purees with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the detachable stainless steel blades provide durability and easy cleaning. We're checking out an electric French fry cutter with 1/2 and 3/8 inch stainless steel blades that makes prepping fresh fries at home incredibly fast and easy. This powerful machine cuts through potatoes in seconds, giving you perfect restaurant-quality fries without the mess or hassle. With 2 blade options, you can easily switch between thicker or thinner fries depending on your preference. Looking to cook like a pro at home? Let's talk about the Biollomix 2.55 Generation Sous Vide Cooker Machine. This compact, powerful device lets you achieve restaurant-quality results with precise temperature control, locking in flavors, nutrients, and that perfect tenderness every time. Simply attach it to any pot, set the temp, drop in your sealed food, and let the Biollomix work its magic. The incredible soybean milk machine and automatic intelligent food blender. This all-in-one appliance not only makes silky smooth soybean milk in minutes, but also doubles as a powerful food blender for soups, smoothies, and sauces. With its intelligent control panel, you can easily select different programs for various recipes, ensuring perfect results every time. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, remember, links to each gadget are in the video description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves cooking. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more must-have kitchen tips, reviews, and gadget recommendations.